my Mother's Day gift to myself and my children. We went horseback riding. This is my first official time. I've been on a horse once before, but this is my first time. This tour is about an hour long. This is Ike. I don't know if you guys can see Ike, but Ike and my boys are ahead of me somewhere. So I am riding Ike today. Let me see if I can turn my camera around while I'm videoing. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, Ike is riding very closely to the other horse. So I am on top of Ike. And the boys are way ahead of me somewhere. Okay, happy Mother's Day to me. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Biological mother, adoptive mother, mother by aunties, cousins. Once you have raised or helped raise children, happy Mother's Day to you. Peace out.